Hello everyone, the reason I am writing this blog on best crypto wallets is because I have seen a lot of people struggling to find a user-friendly mobile crypto wallet, or even if they find one, they don't find all the features they are looking for. For example, let's say I have X wallet and it does not have a proper function, or some doesn't have buying function. I will discuss 3 crypto wallets and how to use them. Mu, MyEther Wallet, Trust Wallet, Crypto, Defi Wallet. Security. For security reasons, I would ask you to keep your funds, distribute your funds, in all the 3 wallets. All of them are really secure. It's not that easy to hack these wallets, as they have been created by some of the leading tech people in our industry. It gives us peace of mind to know that the chance of these wallets getting hacked is too low, but I won't claim that these can't get hacked, because there is no such thing as complete security in tech world. I will discuss some security measures in the following sections as well. So let's begin. MyEther Wallet. Mu image source, Apple App Store. MyEther Wallet is an open source client-side verification wallet, which means that no one has any sort of control over your wallet. Most probably all the 3 wallets above are up to some extent the same thing. Well, being your own bank really means some serious business here. So what does this mean, being my own bank thing? It simply means if you lost your private keys, 12 or 24 word passphrase, as shown in below example, you will end up losing all your funds. Come on, that sounds a bit scary, isn't it? Yes, it is scary, and that's what it means to be your own bank. Example of a passphrase: -1, dog 2, cat 3, breed 4, car 5, wheat 6, ship 7, world 8, water 9, river 10, mountain 11, ghost 12. So the above is an example of a passphrase. This passphrase is very important. Keep it secure, and before connecting to any dApp, please check the website for phishing link or any other malicious signs. That's the best practice to keep your funds safe. Another security measure is to use known dApps, like for swapping tokens on the Ethereum blockchain, use Uniswap, etc. Mu has a lot of options on the web interface MyEtherWallet.com. They have listed a lot of useful dApps, like for example Ethereum name services, where you can buy, create and domain names like QNull. The swap token function is also available on the Mu mobile wallet app. The best thing about this swap function is that it gets you the best exchange rate for that particular swapping. This will save money and time. Inside the mobile wallet you can generate as many Ethereum wallets as you want. Generate multiple wallets for different purposes. For example, generate a wallet for long-term holding, one for trading, and one for testing risky investment strategies. That will protect you from losing all your funds at once. Some cool things about Mu. One of the best features of Mu mobile wallet is, you can buy Ether directly from the Mu mobile crypto wallet using your credit and debit card. But that will cost approximately 5% fees per transaction, or max $10. I don't give it much of a thought. And on the other hand, it's very easy to use mobile wallet. You can read full post on CryptoFans News, link available in text below.